I just wanted to show you this laundry basket. To put it together, you literally just have to lift it up. Right here seems to be the only points of strength, just around the rim here. Aside from that, it's like the material is like a thicker, kind of like a grocery bag, maybe a little bit thicker than that. It looks like some kind of waterproofing on the interior, and then on the outside it's kind of like canvas. You've got your handles here. There's no insert, literally like what you see is what you get. You just pop it up, and yeah, definitely would be handy in a camper. But yeah, check out my review and see what I think.